As a data-driven marketer or business owner, there's a good chance that you want to know where every single piece of traffic is coming from to your business. And when it comes to phone calls, it's often hard to know if that traffic's coming from organic search, paid ads, social media, postcards, TVs, or even your LinkedIn profile. I own an agency, and when we first started running outbound advertising, we had a really difficult time connecting our advertising efforts with our clients' inbound sales, leads, and revenue. We went on the search for a third-party call tracking system, and we discovered CallRail. CallRail bridges that gap and allows us to associate all of our inbound activity with all of our outbound marketing efforts. But it's not the easiest platform to use. So I put together a comprehensive series on how to use CallRail as a digital agency owner, a marketer, or a business owner. It uncovers all of our secrets and walks through the platform in depth, telling you exactly what to do to bridge the gap between outbound marketing efforts and your inbound phone calls. So click the link below, check it out, you'll learn more on the next page, and I promise you, you won't regret it.